Welcome to the REDATS channel. My name is Hubert, and today I'll show you how to assemble the REDATS H-450 hydraulic spring extractor. Let's get started. You may be wondering why we tilted the entire machine from side to side while the pneumatic system was connected. The reason is that an air bubble often gets trapped underneath the pneumatic cylinder. To make bleeding the system easier, you should tilt the machine to the left, right, forward, and backward while the pneumatic system is connected. This helps remove the trapped air, allowing the pneumatic system to operate properly and ensuring the hydraulic system is fully bled. To do this correctly, use either the foot pedal or the pneumatic control to raise the hydraulic cylinder to about halfway up its stroke. Lower it. Lower it all the way down. Now, use a small flathead screwdriver to gently lift the rubber seal located here on the cylinder. You'll hear a characteristic hissing sound as the trapped air escapes. Once you've done that, the cylinder is properly bled. As you can see, assembling this machine is quite straightforward. However, it's important to remember the key points we covered in today's video. If you're interested in workshop equipment, be sure to check out the REDATS channel.